Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly add today's date and time without pressing any number key in Microsoft Word for PC. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Word software. So now I've written a date and time. So here we are not going to use the computer mouse also. So by clicking on this insert, you can insert the date and time by clicking on this date and time options. So here we are not going to use this method. So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Shift Alt and D in order to add a today's date, and for the time you need to press Shift Alt and D to add your today's present time. So you can see right now. So by using these cool keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly add today's date and time without pressing any number key in Microsoft Word for PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.